Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring WhatsApp hacking tools. We'll be exploring some popular tools and techniques used to gain unauthorized access to WhatsApp accounts. The goal here is to raise awareness about the potential vulnerabilities in WhatsApp and to promote ethical hacking practices. So whether you're a security enthusiast or just curious about the tech behind these tools, stick around and let's explore the fascinating world of WhatsApp hacking. Alright, let's kick things off with Shark for Termux. If you're into cybersecurity or just tech-savvy in general, you've probably heard of Termux. It's a powerful terminal emulator and Linux environment that you can run right on your Android device. No rooting required, it's just a simple app download away, and that's where Shark comes in. It's a network analyzer, a powerful tool that lets you see all the data packets flowing in and out of your device. Think of it like a window into the invisible world of network traffic. You can see everything from website addresses to file downloads, and yes, even WhatsApp messages. Now here's the catch. For Shark to capture WhatsApp messages, both you and the target device need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is because Shark works by intercepting data packets on a local network. It's like eavesdropping on a conversation, but instead of words, it's data packets. Once you're both on the same Wi-Fi, firing up Shark and Termux is pretty straightforward. You just need to put your Wi-Fi adapter into monitor mode, which basically tells it to capture all the data it sees, not just data meant for your device. Then you can start capturing data packets and filter them to show only WhatsApp traffic. And there you have it. You'll be able to see the messages being sent and received, all in plain text. Always use these tools ethically and responsibly. Understanding how tools like Shark work can actually make you more security conscious. It highlights the importance of using strong passwords, being cautious about the Wi-Fi networks you connect to, and keeping your devices updated with the latest security patches. So while Shark can be used for malicious purposes, it's also a valuable tool for learning about network security and protecting yourself in the digital world. Let's move on to another intriguing tool known as WhatsApp Sniffer. This one's a bit more specialized, focusing specifically on intercepting WhatsApp messages on a network. It's like having a secret agent listening in on WhatsApp conversations. But instead of a trench coat and fedora, it's lines of code and network packets. Just like Shark, WhatsApp Sniffer operates on the principle of packet sniffing. It captures the data packets traveling across a Wi-Fi network and analyzes them for WhatsApp traffic. Once it identifies WhatsApp packets, it extracts the messages and presents them in a readable format. Now you might be wondering, how is WhatsApp Sniffer different from Shark? Well, while Shark is a general-purpose network analyzer, WhatsApp Sniffer is designed specifically for intercepting WhatsApp messages. This means it might have features tailored for analyzing WhatsApp traffic, making it potentially more efficient at its job. However, this specialization also means it might not be as versatile as Shark when it comes to analyzing other types of network traffic. Using WhatsApp Sniffer usually involves similar steps to using Shark. You'll need to be on the same Wi-Fi network as the target device, put your network adapter in monitor mode, and then let WhatsApp Sniffer do its thing. But here's the thing. The legal and ethical implications of using WhatsApp Sniffer are the same as with any other hacking tool. Using it to spy on someone's WhatsApp messages without their consent is a breach of privacy and can land you in serious trouble. However, understanding how tools like WhatsApp Sniffer work is crucial for strengthening your own security posture. End-to-end encryption ensures that only the sender and receiver can read the messages, even if someone intercepts them on the network. Always use your knowledge responsibly and ethically. Let's shift gears a bit and talk about WhatsApp Web Scanner. This tool takes a different approach to accessing WhatsApp accounts, focusing on exploiting the vulnerabilities of WhatsApp web sessions. You know, that handy feature that lets you use WhatsApp on your computer? Yeah, that one. Here's how it works. WhatsApp Web works by syncing your WhatsApp account with a web browser on your computer. To do this, it generates a unique QR code that you scan using the WhatsApp app on your phone. This establishes a link between your phone and the web browser, allowing you to send and receive messages on your computer. Now here's where things get interesting. WhatsApp Web Scanner tools typically work by tricking users into scanning a malicious QR code. This code, when scanned, could potentially grant the attacker access to the victim's WhatsApp account through their web browser. Imagine this. You're at a coffee shop, browsing the web, and you see a QR code that looks like it's for a free Wi-Fi network. You, being eager to save on mobile data, quickly scan the code with your phone. But little do you know, you've just given someone access to your WhatsApp account. That's a simplified example, but it illustrates the potential dangers of WhatsApp web scanner tools. They prey on unsuspecting users who might not be aware of the risks associated with scanning random QR codes. Always be cautious about scanning QR codes, especially from unknown or untrusted sources. If you're unsure about a QR code, it's best to err on the side of caution and not scan it at all. Another crucial tip is to regularly check your WhatsApp web sessions. Staying informed about potential threats and taking proactive steps to protect yourself is the best way to stay safe in the ever-evolving world of technology. Let's dive into the realm of WhatsApp Extract, a tool that's all about digging into the hidden treasure trove of data within WhatsApp database files. Now don't worry, you don't need to be a master codebreaker to understand this one. Think of your WhatsApp conversations like a digital diary. Every message, every picture, every voice note you've ever sent or received is stored in a database file on your phone. WhatsApp Extract is like a digital key that unlocks this database, allowing you to access and analyze its contents. Now, you might be wondering, why would anyone need to extract data from WhatsApp databases? Well, the reasons can range from personal data recovery to forensic investigations. Imagine you accidentally deleted an important conversation with a client or a loved one. WhatsApp Extract could potentially help you recover those messages from your phone's backup files. It's like having a digital safety net for your precious conversations. On the other hand, forensic investigators might use WhatsApp Extract to extract evidence from a suspect's phone. Deleted messages, timestamps, contact lists. These can all be valuable pieces of information in a criminal investigation. But understanding how tools like WhatsApp Extract work can be beneficial for your own digital hygiene. It highlights the importance of regularly backing up your WhatsApp data, so you have a copy in case your phone is lost, stolen, or damaged. So, while WhatsApp Extract can be a valuable tool for data recovery and forensic investigations, it's crucial to use it ethically and responsibly, respecting the privacy of others. Let's step into the world of Kali Linux, a powerful operating system that's like a digital playground for cybersecurity enthusiasts and ethical hackers. Now, Kali Linux isn't specifically a WhatsApp hacking tool, but it's more like a toolbox that contains a wide array of tools, some of which can be used for WhatsApp hacking. Think of it like this. If you're a carpenter, you need a toolbox with different tools for different tasks: hammers, screwdrivers, saws, and so on. Similarly, Kali Linux provides ethical hackers and security researchers with a comprehensive set of tools for various cybersecurity tasks, including penetration testing, vulnerability analysis, and yes, even WhatsApp hacking. Now, Kali Linux comes pre-installed with a plethora of tools, some of which we've already discussed, like Shark and air cracking, which can be used for Wi-Fi hacking. It also includes tools like Burp Suite and Metasploit, which are popular for web application testing and exploitation. But here's the thing, Kali Linux is a double-edged sword. In the right hands, it's a powerful tool for good, allowing security professionals to identify and fix vulnerabilities before malicious actors can exploit them. It's like having a security guard who can think like a thief, anticipating their moves and fortifying your defenses. However, in the wrong hands, Kali Linux can be used for malicious purposes like hacking into WhatsApp accounts, stealing data, or disrupting networks. The power of Kali Linux lies in its versatility and the vast community of security experts who contribute to its development and share their knowledge. It's a constantly evolving platform that reflects the ever-changing landscape of cybersecurity threats. So, whether you're a seasoned security professional or just starting your journey into the world of ethical hacking, Kali Linux is a valuable resource. Always use your knowledge ethically and legally, contributing to a safer and more secure digital world. That's it for today's video. We've explored some popular WhatsApp hacking tools, from network sniffers to database extractors, and even delved into the world of Kali Linux. Remember, the goal here wasn't to turn you into a hacker, but to raise awareness about the potential vulnerabilities in WhatsApp, and to promote ethical hacking practices. Hacking someone's WhatsApp account without their permission is not only unethical, but also illegal. So, if you found this information useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. See you in the next video.